Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Audible, audiobooks and podcasts app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Audible is an audiobook and podcast streaming app developed by Amazon, designed to make reading more accessible through listening. Originally launched as an audiobook platform, Audible has expanded into a full library of audiobooks, podcasts, and exclusive Audible originals across multiple genres. It's available on both iOS and Android and works seamlessly across devices like Alexa, Kindle, and smart speakers. The app's main feature is its audiobook library, offering thousands of titles that can be streamed or downloaded for offline listening. Users can adjust playback speed, set sleep timers, and bookmark favorite sections. Audible also includes personalized recommendations, podcast streaming, and a credit-based subscription system, where users receive credits to purchase and keep audiobooks each month. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Audible for its high-quality audio, vast collection, and easy-to-navigate interface. The ability to sync progress across multiple devices makes it perfect for listening on the go, during commutes, workouts, or downtime. The app's narration quality, often performed by professional voice actors and authors, enhances the overall storytelling experience. However, there are some drawbacks. The monthly subscription cost can be expensive for casual listeners, and some users find the credit system limiting since not all titles are included in the base plan. Additionally, while Audible originals are unique, they may not appeal to everyone, and the app's free content is somewhat limited. In summary, the Audible app may be worth using if you enjoy learning, storytelling, or entertainment through audio and prefer professional quality narrations. However, if you're not a frequent listener or want free unlimited access, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.